Hi, I'm Zarias, and I see that you have decided to take advantage of the AI-generated Bitcoin tsunami. So first, the things that you'll need is a referral link for the GO E1U live AI platform. If you don't have a referral link, you can look in the description box below this video and choose one. We will also need a crypto exchange platform that supports Bitcoin. This could be Coinbase, Crypto.com, Trust Wallet, or Cash App, and these are just the most popular ones. And there's many more. Plus, you will need to have a Bitcoin or be able to purchase some. And if you do not have a cryptocurrency exchange platform like Coinbase or the ones mentioned, please go to YouTube and search for a short tutorial. It only takes a few minutes to follow the simple instructions. And after you do that, then you're completely set. And the fourth step is you're going to need to decide how many boards you want to receive Bitcoin on. And with the website here, you can choose, for now, up to 4 boards. You can choose the $25 one, the $100 one, the $500 one, and the $1,000 one. But everyone must start at the $25 board, which is also called the $25 matrix. But you can run multiple boards at the same time, if you can afford it. For example, I have 2 boards. I have the $25 one, and I have the $100 one. I'm just going to get started on showing you how to log in and sign up with this website. So after you click on your referral link, it should bring you to this page right here. It's going to look similar if you're on the phone as well. And you're going to want to press the Start Earning Now button. After you press that, it's going to give you a box where it's going to first show you the name of the person that referred you. And then you can add your username, your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, your password, and then you can confirm your password here. After you input all of the information that it asks you for, you're going to want to make sure that everything you input is correct. You want to make sure everything is spelled correctly and everything is capitalized right. And with the username and the password, I'm pretty sure you can only put up to letters and numbers, no spaces, and no periods or commas. So after you input everything that you want to here, you're going to press the submit button. Now it brings you to this page right here where you add your Bitcoin wallet and you confirm your Bitcoin wallet here. By finding your Bitcoin wallet, you go to the platform that you're using. Like right now, I am using Coinbase. And I can find my Bitcoin address through Coinbase. But it might be different for each app. You're going to also want to make sure that you copy your Bitcoin receive link from your cryptocurrency wallet, and after you add your wallet, you're going to press the update button. After you press the update button, it's going to give you this page where you have to activate your first matrix, and you have to pay directly. You have to copy this address, this Bitcoin address, and you're going to have to submit a payment to that using your cryptocurrency app or wallet. So after you send the money to the Bitcoin address that it provided you, you're going to want to make sure and see if it's confirmed. And sometimes it might take a while. Like mine was pending for about 30 minutes, 40 minutes. So after it finishes pending and after it's set, you're going to want to submit payment. After you submit payment, you should be in the main area. And right here, you can view your active matrix for the $25 plan. And you can go and purchase a $100 plan if you want to over here, or any other plans. After that, you can even, right here is your referral link that you can send to anyone you want to invite to this platform. And this should be everything that you need to do and have to do to sign up and create an account.